Rajamane Industries was established in the year 1975 for manufacturing coolant pumps for machine tool applications. The company has grown over the years, producing more than 150 odd types of pumps of various materials, mainly for machine tool, printing, and packaging. We also manufacture pumps made from cast iron, gunmetal, steel, and also industrial plastics. Today we are the largest coolant pump manufacturing company in India, manufacturing over 8,500 pumps per month. We are also exporting to a large number of countries outside India, mainly USA, Spain, Italy, France, Germany, United Arab Emirates, and also some African countries.
Our productions are made for the world by having two approvals. We are CE marked and UL approved, an ISO 9000 company, and a completely backwardly integrated with our own foundry, machine shop, and a winding facility. We have participated in a large of international shows. We are participating in the upcoming EMO show at Hannover, where we are displaying some of our latest products, mainly stainless steel and gunmetal products, which find a wide application in machine tool, printing, packaging, aerospace, and handling of special cutting materials. A product of proven performance is what we are known for. Come visit and see our products at the show.